all my beauties, this is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. So right now I have got beautiful collections. This time we can say it as festive collections because the fabric is little rich fabric. These are all silk mixed fabric. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link which will straight away leads to you to that page. So for these prices and the product descriptions, please log on to our website, read everything carefully and then place your orders. So now comes our silk fabric for the festive season. See these comes with work. The fabric is a silk mixed and what to say, it gives you really a nice rich look. And this is the down portion, it has its embroidery, and then this is the pant, and then comes our beautiful dupatta, silk dupattas. Alright, these are all machine embroideries. See, this comes this way with a mustard yellow color top and then with this amazing silk dupatta. So right now the concept is silk dupatta, and it's not the pure virginal silk, no, it is mixed silk dupattas. Alright, and then comes this color, nice sober and subtle color. See this? See, this is the neck pattern with all gota patti work, and then comes our amazing, this is the same to same matching all are, and it comes with a beautiful, see this, silk dupatta. Alright, see this, how it is. And next comes this, nice, these are all pale colors. So the colors are little different in our website because however we take it under the sunlight, the colors may little different, but there won't be any wrong colors, okay. And this is the silk dupatta for this. Dupatta is so amazing, and yes, the pant is also so nice with this legria pant with a beautiful work on it. All right, and then comes this, see, nice collections, and after stitching it comes out really beautiful. See, this is the neck pattern, and then it comes with a beautiful leria worked pant, and then this comes with a silk dupatta. See this, all nice. The flow is so amazing, and I can say these are all slim fit fabrics in black color with a beautiful, always black is so beautiful because whatever design we do in that, it comes really exclusive. So this is the top, and see the dupatta, it's a red color dupatta, lovely, super duper. See this comes with this. Alright, where is the pant? It's the same matching pant, and then comes this, once again it's worked one. See this, it's a worked one, and then comes the pant with a beautiful lovely dupatta. See this, the flow is so amazing. The dupatta flow is so nice. These gives really a rich exclusive look. And then once again these comes with value added worked ones. These are all like machine embroideries with little bit of handworks here and there. All right, and this comes with the, see this dupatta concept, it's so nice. See this ajrak screen printing, these are all not the original hand prints. And then comes this, nice gota patti work below, and then it comes with a beautiful silk dupatta, Varanasi kind of silk dupatta. These are all festive collections. Alright, and then we can go for a Chanderi silk product. See these are all wash and wears, so nice, the color is so nice and subtle color. And then comes, this is the pant, and this comes with the beautiful hand block dupatta. The colors are so amazing and nice colors. So each time I see to that I am showing you all nice different colors. See, this color is also so good, same but the color is different. And then comes this. All fabrics are different this time. Usually I'll go only for cottons, only for silk cottons, but right now it is rayon mixed cotton. Lovely it is. This comes with a beautiful chiffon dupatta and see the rayon pant, a vertical striped pant. Alright, and then comes this half white or cream color. Lovely it is. See this. Down you will be having this cut work. Alright, it's a little bit of cut work, and then you can find all over this stone work and everything. And this is the top, and this comes with a beautiful embroidery pant. This is the pant, and this is the cotton dupatta. Comes with a beautiful or machine embroideries, and I've got lovely colors. This is pink, orange with peach, and then this color, and one more is this yellow. So you see all the descriptions and see all the colors, whichever you are liking, you can go for it. And now comes our beautiful chanderis. See this, all hand block prints. So what's new this time in this? The prints are different with a beautiful color combination. See this. This dupatta is also soft chanderi dupatta. Alright, and I've got beautiful colors in this. Orange, rust, then see this color. So nice and amazing. Alright, and then comes my cotton. So for prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to you to that page. And this is a beautiful white top with this pant. The speciality is this dupatta. It's a soft chanderi. Combination is so nice and amazing. So this comes this way. And then this is a modal fabric. Alright, the folding is little different, and that's what it's taking my time. And this is the modal fabric with a beautiful chiffon embroidered dupatta, shaded. Lovely, na? The colors are, see this, the colors are so amazing. And this is the pant. Alright, and then comes this, once again, the modal stuff. And this is the top. This comes with a beautiful embroidery shaded dupatta. All nice different English colors with a pant. And my last modal piece is this. See, this is the pant. This comes, it's a nice indigo kind of blue color. See this, and this comes with a beautiful embroidery dupatta. So right now all new ones I have shown you. So for prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link. If you have any doubts while making payments, or you have to receive a mail after making payments, else you can contact our WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with lots and lots of new collections. Stay safe. Bye bye.